Hey guys, lately I have reviewed 3 different types of Windows tablets and that I purchased and tested. I did video review. So in the latest review I said I have a big plan for these Windows tablets. So now I'm going to show you what my big plan was. So this is my latest purchase, a 10-inch Windows tablet, and as you can see, I tested these. These are very good, very responsive, and very fast tablets. And my plan was to turn this into a laptop and a desktop to replace my current laptop and desktop. So this is a very good. If it's successful, this is a very good plan because the tablet is very inexpensive. I've tested 2 8-inch Windows tablets, and this is the 10-inch Windows tablet. All these are under $100. The 8 inches could be as low as like $45, and this one I bought at $67. And they are quad-core, or at least dual-core computers. And so let's see what we can do about these. So for this tablet, to turn this into a laptop, basically it is almost there. It's just with a smaller screen and without the keyboard. So this particular tablet actually manufacturer actually designed a snap-on, the magnetic snap-on keyboard case for it, but it is expensive, and since I'm too cheap to buy it, I'm gonna use something else. So what I did, I have purchased this on eBay. It's a iRulu or any other brand. Micro USB universal keyboard tablet and case. Keyboard and case. So you can see the feature here. First of all, you put tablet on it, and these are elastic bands to hold the tablet. So which means these are universal. You can put anything with the same size, or actually small or bigger, and it still fits. The good thing about this, once you put this in, all the sides are open, so you can utilize all the ports, including charging and USB ports, without difficulty. And the keyboard is a full keyboard, although smaller. The cable here is a micro USB cable, which exactly fits onto your tablet. Micro USB. And so this is how it works. You put tablet here, and on the back side there's a magnetic kickstand. Just open it, it will perfectly stand on its own. So you have a good viewing angle while you're typing. The tablet's here. Okay, and this is also magnetic. The clip is also magnetic to close it. So once you put tablet in there, this is like a 10-inch laptop. Very light, very portable. So let's put this in there. So magnetic. Put the elastic clip. Let me show you. Put the clips on the 4 corners. Alright, there we go. Oops. Alright, see, tablet fits in here. Okay, now let's close it. Perfect, good, very thin, very light laptop. Now let's turn this into desktop. So what is this tablet or laptop lacking? First of all, the screen is too small. Let's put this big screen here. There we go. This is an HP 20-inch LCD LED backlit LED screen. The resolution can be up to 1600 by 900. Very good screen. Used. I bought it for about $20 because I'm really good at buying old stuff, but you actually may buy it for more expensive, or you have something lying around, old ones, without any cost. Anyway, so that's the screen. Now, let's plug it in. Okay, now it's plugged in. Your screen probably uses one of the three technologies. This is a VGA port, VGA cable, or DVI, or HDMI. Now to utilize this, like I reviewed in tablet, most tablets, small Windows tablets, will have a micro HDMI port on the side. So to utilize this, buy on eBay and this cable, micro HDMI to VGA converter. You may have to buy, if you have DVI, then you buy micro HDMI to DVI converter, or micro HDMI to regular HDMI converter. Very cheap. It's probably $2 something, including shipping, shipped from China, so takes a month to arrive. Now on this side, you just simply, this is monitor's VGA port, VGA cord. Just connect this to this one end on this cable. Secure it. Okay, so the monitor's output is now connecting to a micro HDMI port. We just have to plug this in. Let's see the tablet on one end. Like I said, the case gives very good access to the side, and that's the micro HDMI. Plug this in there. So once I turn it on, hey, the screen is on this one. Why is this upside down? Because your tablet may have different orientation. So let's just put it this way. Okay, so it is when we connect this says landscape mode flipped, so we'll have to do this with this upside down and change it to landscape. Then apply. It's hard to use mouse when it's flipped upside down. And keep settings. Okay. Now we're back in business. And lock the orientation again. Okay, so back to what we're talking about. Okay. So now I have successfully connected the display. So the display, well, don't worry if your display doesn't show the screen of the tablet perfectly, because it we'll talk about the settings later. At first it's not going to look good, but it will display. It will not going to look very perfectly. So now the second business is to what is our laptop or tablet missing? A big keyboard and mouse. So it's not easy to type, is it? Now what we need here, this cable. It's called, if you want to buy it on eBay or Amazon, search for micro USB hub or micro USB OTG cable. If you just find micro USB OTG cable, it may be just one from micro USB to a USB port. But if you search for hub, you'll have several USB ports available. So from one micro USB to, it could be up to 3 regular USB ports and 1 charging port. This is the micro USB charging. And I would advise you to buy the one with this switch. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Let me see. I've got to focus. Alright, this is as clear as we can see. It's called the charge and OTG switch on the side. There's a little switch. What it does is, if it's switched to OTG, then this is your USB connection. If it's switched to charge, then the USB connection will not work, but the charging port will work, so you can charge the tablet. Now, because of the USB safety standards, charging and USB usage cannot be working at the same time. So it's not a design flaw, it's not a manufacturer's fault. They cannot happen at once, okay, unfortunately. So when you're using the USB, you cannot charge your tablet. Okay, so let's plug this. So we have a regular sized USB mouse, which I have lying around. If you have to buy them by used, it should be really cheap, less than $10. Plug this in to one of the USB ports. Okay, now a full-sized keyboard, USB keyboard. Again, plug this in with one of the USB ports on your micro USB hub. Switch this to OTG and plug this in the micro USB port of your tablet, which is on this side. So your tablet should now recognize this. Okay, let me show you on the screen. How nice we have a regular size screen. Okay, so the mouse works. Okay, so we're going to unlock the screen with the mouse, and we can type with the keyboard. See? Okay. Okay, let's go back to the system. Now, what else is missing on our nice little tablet? Sound. The onboard sound on the tablet is not very powerful, not very good. It's just regular stereo. We're gonna give this some boost. So we have here a regular size computer speaker. It's very simple. It's a speaker. We put it here with a power cord, regular power cord, or you may have a power like an adapter. Either way, plug this in. This side you have a 3.5 millimeter regular audio jack. Just plug into your tablet's audio port here. So let's go back to the tablet. I'm going to configure something. First of all, when you're first connected to the external the display, you need to go into the settings, the display setting, just long press on the background, select display settings. Actually, I'm going to use the mouse, easier. So, on display settings, you can see there's only one display for some reason. I'm going to replug. So here on your display settings, these settings: duplicate, extend, show only one, or show only two. I'm not seeing it. Okay. On display settings, there's these settings. Customize a display. When you're going to from the background, you right-click mouse or long press, go to display settings. Scroll to the end, multiple displays here. Okay, put on the menu, shows duplicate, extend, show only one, or show only two. Now the duplicate basically means your display will be on both. And so that's why at first it's not going to look good, because it's trying to duplicate the same setting on the tablet, which is 1200 by 800. Something like that, on your nice big screen. So it's not going to look good. So you need to select only on two. That way, it only shows on this monitor, and that way you can customize the display. So if you choose advanced on the two, you can now choose to have, to turn a tablet into a laptop and a desktop. As you can see, this screen is really nice and big, and everything works just like desktop. As for, you may ask, now I'm still missing the CD drive or DVD drive and maybe a printer. All the printers and the external hard drive or whatever, they're basically USB. You can connect, because you still have a USB port left, you can connect to one of those. But for a DVD drive, you could install an external USB DVD drive, or if you're like me, I have this home network connected. I can simply just go to my home network, and once I go to my main computer, I have a DVD drive on that computer. I just right click on that DVD drive and select share, and on my side the DVD drive is now shareable on the in the Explorer and network sections. That, like I said, go to the DVD drive, and then you can use the DVD drive on your main computer. That's it. And you can even share a printer on the network. If you select the printer on your main computer as a shareable, it could work as well. So there you go, guys. Perfect, good system for less than $100.